Let's make these yogurt scones that can be flavored with any of your favorite yogurts. You have never come across such a versatile recipe before, so let's get started. To a bowl, add 125 grams of softened or melted butter. Then to this, add in half a cup of sugar. And beat this until it changes to a pale color. Then add in 1 cup of your favorite flavored yogurt. Mine is strawberry. What's yours? Comment to let me know what amazing yogurt flavors you will be trying with this recipe. Add in some fresh berries if you like. Then add in 1 egg, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 3½ cups of flour. Then mix to form a rollable dough. Roll out to about 1 centimeter thick. And then using any shaped cookie cutter, shape your scones for baking. My cookie cutter was about 12 centimeters, so I got about 8 of these scones. Place these over a greased oven tray and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until they become golden brown in color. Removing them from the oven, they should retain their shape. Place these onto a plate and decorate as desired. I've used some syrupy strawberries that I made in a syrup using leftover strawberry tops. Then drizzle some homemade strawberry syrup over these. Click on the link to see how I made these. Add in some fresh cream and more fresh strawberries if you like. And you have some lovely flavored yogurt scones that can be enjoyed for breakfast or afternoon tea. Enjoy making them. Thanks for watching and let me know how it turned out if you do try it. Until the next vlog, happy baking!